Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator and wiping everything down and getting rid of the things that are old or expired. So here we go. So I've taken everything out of the refrigerator and look how disgusting. There are crumbs and spots and just stuff all over. It's a little embarrassing actually. So here's everything out of my refrigerator. I've just got stuff in the floor, stuff on the stove, stuff on the counter. So I'm going to go through everything and put it back in after I clean. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the scent Lavender. And I'm using a wet washcloth. To clean the glass in my refrigerator, I'm using this Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner in the scent Lemon Verbena and just 2 paper towels folded to wipe everything down. I'm going to take these drawers out and wash them in the sink with some warm water and some dish soap. For this, I'm just using this dishcloth that I knitted myself and the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in Lemon Verbena. It only takes a little bit to get lots of good soapy bubbles. So I put everything back in here in a nice neat way. I have some drinks down here on the bottom, some yogurt, leftovers, applesauce, and I like to keep my rice in the refrigerator. It just stays fresher. And then in this drawer I just have my cheeses and some pine nuts and walnuts in there. And then down here is a drawer full of bottled water. And then I have all of my vegetables and fruits in this drawer. Over here I have milk and ice cream things. I have a stick of butter. And then I have my coffee creamer and the condiments and jelly and butter and garlic. And then down here is just some extra things. Pickles, barbecue sauce, ketchup, orange juice. So that is much better and I feel so happy about it. It's all nice and clean and everything is easily accessible. So I wanted to show you guys what I did yesterday, I think it was. I took some pink construction paper and I have a hole punch that's like, I don't know, 1.5 inches maybe. And I wrote down all the things that Paisley can do as far as chores, and whatever she chooses to do, she can make some money. So for example, if she unloads the dishwasher, she gets $1. And then she can just take off all the ones that she does, because they're on here with washi tape. So it's kind of like reusable. And then earn the money, and then we can put them back up here, and she can do it again whenever it needs it. So she already made my bed. Look, it looks so good. And she cleaned off the dresser and my makeup table.